Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram posting. The vibe might start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shot, maybe I need a free. I scream as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough. Chop my one side, I loud and no stopping up. Go shopping up. That breakfast don't me then can't come on. As wash my boy, I get a girl from the ghetto. Got girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, get Dama. Oh yeah, get Jello. Oh yeah, get. Oh yeah, get. Oh yeah, get. Oh yeah, get. Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon. Start to the halagon. Cause you know say my people they calagon. Oh look back. As I hating on us, make me manyamo. You know I be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako. That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. Go need a lago. I go show you say bounce and a lago. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. Lamborghini boy. Put them on Jesus and I'm not religious. Oh, I know. Oh, Lord. Breakfast don't me then the mood gone. As I shine, I'm more. I get a girl from the ghetto. Got girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, get Dama. Oh yeah, get Jello. Oh yeah, get Joe. Oh yeah, get. Oh yeah, get. Oh yeah, get.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up you, you understand?